here's Zaapi walkthrough video, right? July 26th version. So if you are exploring Zaapi or just signed recently subscribed, or you are a long-term subscriber that wants to know what are the new features we have, right? So you're in the right place. So in this video, I'll show you basically the ins and outs and all the new updates for Zaapi. All right. So firstly, for Zaapi, as you understand, we unified all the conversation channels into one inbox, right? So if you look on the left-hand side here, you can go to Zaapi. When you on your demo account or your trial account, right, it will be basically not connected, right? So you could go here on settings and then on integrations, right? You see all these logos here, so you can connect any account that you wish to connect, right? In our free trial, you can connect as many as you want, right? So yeah, these are the channels that we can connect with, right? All of these can be connected just with a very simple steps, right? Most of them are just username and passwords, right? For the more complicated ones, of course, we have a setup guide where you can simply just click here and just follow up through our steps, and then you'll be connected in no time, right? So as you can see here, we connect all the social media messaging platform, right? So Facebook Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, Line OA, and all the e-commerce platform as well with Shopee, Lazada, TikTok Shop. We also can create and connect website widget for you. Not only the chats, we can also connect your emails, right? So yeah, many people does support via email. We do connect with Gmail and Outlook, right? For our CRM, we can also connect with Shopify and HubSpot as well, right? You can connect as many channels as you want. For example, as many WhatsApp numbers as you want, as many Facebook pages as you want, as many Shopee, Lazada shops as you want, right? So yes, this is the integration part. This is where everybody starts. Once you are integrated, you can see here in the inbox, or we call them tickets, right? There will be, you will start seeing messages coming in here, right? As you can see, these are from Shopee, these are from Facebook, etc. However, the other thing is that once you have all the chats, all the tickets, all the conversations coming in, right? I guess the next question will be who's going to answer them. So yeah, on the right-hand side here, this is where you can add your team. Obviously, the one who sign up, will be the account administrator. You'll be on the top, right? However, you can start inviting more people. Again, in your trial account, you can invite as many people as you want, right? When you add a user here, you can just write their full name. You write their email. So basically, they will get an email. They can join through there. You can decide on their role, right? Account administrator means he or she sees everything. Agents, if he or she is an agent, meaning you're basically a chat agent, you can, as an account administrator, you can limit what access the agent sees. For example, here, if it's an agent, but he or she is in, let's say, like e-commerce team, so you can only have him see these 3 e-commerce channel, so he doesn't see the social channel, vice versa, right? Or if you divided your team by brand, if, for example, if I have multiple brands selling on Shopee, you can only click on those brands, right? Yeah, of course. Of course, you can also, once you added them, you can put them into teams here as well, right? So there's customer support team, sales team. This will be useful later when you set up your workflow, saying that, hey, you know what? If a chat comes through this channel, assign it to this gang here, this team here, right? But yeah, this is as simple as that, right? One, integrate the channels, invite the users. Now we move on.